welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a try on haul for you for SHEIN. As always, these clothes were sent to me for review, but the opinions are all my own. If you check out the description box below, you will see a coupon code. You can follow that if you like any of these pieces. There's discount codes, they have free shipping, free returns, and coupons galore, so check them out. All right, this shirt here I really enjoy. Now, if we haven't noticed a theme on this summer, I apparently am all about the navy blue. A navy blue and white stripe. Oh, this will be really cute for work. It is a stretchy kind of knitty polyester fabric. I love the detail. Right here on the sleeves, the navy blue. I like this, it's very interesting. The little kind of V-shaped keyhole opening, I like that. I wish this would be a little more structured so it would stay up, but I mean, who's complaining? And bless their heart, they got the stripes almost all the way lined up. So here's the back. I really like it. It's super comfortable. I will probably end up like that this summer if I had to guess, which I don't think is terrible. But I like it. It fits me well in the shoulders. I am broad. This is 1X. It is 14. So this is our first piece. I hope you like it. Okay, so I got this pink shirt. I think it washes me out, to be fair. I do love the details here on the sleeve, like the ruffle, but I just love a detail that makes something different than just a plain t-shirt to wear. If I did wear it, I would probably wear under something like a darker color, like a vest or something. I'm not sure. But because I'm so fair-skinned that I feel like this color washes me out. The quality of the shirt is nice. There is a rolled hem here. These are serged at the end. This fabric, it's not silky, like there's a texture feel to it, almost like a polyester linen. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not slippery silky. There is a definite texture to the fabric. There's no stretch, so you don't want to really upsize or downsize. This is a 1X, a 14. This is what I've been typically buying. It has room for me. I could probably go down to the like extra large or 2 extra large, which is in the standard sizing, but we'll see. I'm not sure. I gotta kind of feel this one out. Like I said, it just kind of washes out my whole skin tone, but I like it. It's a nice shirt. It's very comfortable. I would wear it to work. I probably should have ordered it in a darker color. This is just a fun orange t-shirt. It says made in the 70s. It should have probably said made in 70. Yeah, just a t-shirt. It is a 1X as well. It's a little big. I do kind of tuck my shirts so they're a little blousy. I don't like things too tight. It's that, it's polyester. It's not a cotton t-shirt. It's super soft. I don't know, temperature-wise, we're gonna have to find out in the summer what that looks like. But I just think it's super fun. I mean, I was made in the 70s, right? And I need like t-shirts that fit. And this fits the bill. Wear it with a pair of denim shorts. I think that would be super cute, fun to hang out in, run errands, that kind of stuff. And you can't beat the pricing, right? It's cut and sewn just like a regular cotton t-shirt. It's just polyester instead of cotton. That's all. All right. This is gonna be a twofer. I got this shirt, I like it. Look at that texture on the sleeve. And then it has your fabric here as the cuff. And look at that detail. I think it just definitely draws your eye up. It is super soft t-shirt material, which I like. This is lace, so it's not stretchy, but this is. I think it fits rather well for me. It's long enough. And then I got this skirt, which is way too long. I just thought it would be fun to try for summer. I can roll the waist up to try to give it some height, you know, some length, but it is like a gauzy gypsy skirt. It is serged on the bottom, so I'm wondering if I could just go someplace and ask them to cut it from here and serge it, and then I can just wear it this summer. I just think it's so fun. I love the way it flows. I love the olive green color. Here. It's a super fun, flowy summer skirt and shirt combo that I'm enjoying wholeheartedly. I love this t-shirt. I might get it a couple more colors. All right, so I got this dress. It's interesting. I think this for me is going to be more of like a pool cover up. Definitely low in the front, but I think it will be definitely a great swimsuit cover up for me. Although it could be a dress. It's like a scarf dress, but look at the colors and the detail. It does have a beautiful edging on it, which is nice. Rolled hem here. It goes down a little low. The elastic hits me right under the bosom. Now, I'm very long torsoed, so this does not surprise me because I have a long here. But I think with my bathing suit, it's not a big deal. I can wear it to the pool. No pockets. But I love the color. It's silky and it's nice, and I feel like Mrs. Roper. Do you remember Mrs. Roper? I remember her. All right, this is a fun dress. I love how it fits up top. It's just that elastic ruching, and it has, look at that, a fun shoulder coverage, and then this beautiful smoked out or cut out lace design. So that feels like velour or velvet on top of lace. I really enjoy this. Problem for me, like everything else, is it's very long. I could get away with this if I wore longer shoes. If I wore tall shoes with it, I can get away with wearing it somewhere, I'm sure. I love how it kind of hugs here, but it doesn't hug here. It's super comfortable. Like, honestly, I don't know that there is a flaw with this dress, other than maybe that it's surged on the edges here and there. But honestly, I think for a nice summer evening out, this would be so fun to wear with a nice, like, pretty gold necklace or some chunky jewelry or something. I love how it has the puff sleeves, and the quality is great, and there's a lot of elasticity here. So if you actually have girls, it can accommodate. I mean, I'm a B cup, and there's plenty of room to stretch it out for more bosoms. But I love this. I think it would be great for a nice dinner out. I could also bring it on the cruise, I think, if I am wearing longer or taller shoes. I could bring this for dinner on the cruise. I don't know if I have, well, I don't know that my serger is sergy enough, but if I took it somewhere, I could have it serged shorter. So I really enjoyed this a lot, and I think it would be fun for a nice evening out. All right, I'm not so sure about this one. I don't love the color. I don't love the fit. It feels super soft. It's cotton or a cotton blend. I just feel it's too tight here. Things are showing that I wouldn't like. I don't love yellow, apparently. Who knew? But I wanted to give it a try. So it fits. I mean, it fits, but I don't know. It's just too tight here, and I don't like the way it shows my things. But the quality is nice. It has a rolled hem. It has the t-shirt neckline. It's super soft and comfortable. There's a lot of stretch to it. I just don't like it for me, on my body. Now, I'm going to show you another dress that I like, but doesn't work for me. This dress, it is too tight in the shoulders. It fits, but I think the problem is the same I had before, is the space here is too wide, and it hits me here, and I can't move my arm. So I guess I would need to size up, but I really love this dress. But it doesn't matter how much weight I lose, it's just not gonna fit. My shoulders are broad, and that's all there is to that. So I will pass this on to somebody who can wear it. And then the last thing I grabbed was just a 4-pack. It comes in white, cream, and tan. I'll show you the black. Oops, sorry. Just tank tops. Haven't tried them on yet, but I'm assuming it's a tank top. It'll be fine. To wear under shirts, especially the white one. Anything I get in white is like see-through, so I like to have tank tops to wear under, just for, you know, nobody wants to see my purple bra or my skin. So I just grabbed these. It feels like it might be a little short, so we'll have to see. But a 4-pack, was reasonably priced. So that is everything I got this time on SHEIN. I really hope you enjoyed my little try on for you. And if you so choose, like, subscribe, and follow my links. Talk to you later. Bye.